Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. Today we have a 10-minute beginner standing workout for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. I'm dedicating this workout to my friend Liz. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's start with some high knee jacks. Up next, we do some standing, alternating cross-body toe touches. Get ready, arms out wide. Now bend down to your opposite toes, come back up and to your other toes. Up next, we do some hip circles. Get ready, your arms are extended. Now lift your leg and circle it around and switch sides.
They say you should try to find yourself. I got stuck in the valley. They say never try to hide yourself, but I spent all of my money.
Up next, we do some standing, alternating toe touches. Get ready, lift your leg and try to touch your toes. Your legs do not have to be straight. Up next, we do some step back jacks. Get ready to step back.
Honestly, what else can I
Up next we do some squat punches. Your feet are shoulder distance apart. Get ready to squat and come back up with a punch. This is what a squat looks like from the side. Make sure your back is straight and you're leaning into your heels. Squeeze your glutes when you come up. Up next we do some standing crossover crunches. Your feet are shoulder distance apart, your hands are behind your head. Now cross over and try to meet your elbow with the opposite knee. Up next we do some alternating lateral lunges. Get ready to lunge to the side. Your feet are pointing forward. When you lunge down, your upper body is bending forward. Up next we do some side bends to the right. Your feet are shoulder distance apart. Your right hand comes behind your head. Now bend to the side. Make sure your abs are tight. This is how it looks from the side. You do not bend forward. You bend straight to the side. Release and repeat on the other side. Last exercise, knee drive with a twist. Feet are hip distance apart. Now drive your knee up and twist towards the side of the knee that you drive up. This is it, guys. thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful day. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Thank you so much.